Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can install SIM card in Android phone. So first you will need to equip yourself with a nano SIM card and an injection tool similar to this one, but it may look like this tool, for instance, or this one. If you do not have one on your hands, or you've lost the one you should have gotten from the device's packaging, from its box, instead you can use a needle or an unfolded paper clip should do the trick as well. Anyway, what you need to do now is to take your device. Let me quickly return the SIM card slot back inside the device. Promise you guys didn't see it. Now simply look around your smartphone's frame. Since on different devices the SIM card tray can be located pretty much anywhere on the phone's frame, to the left, at the top, at the bottom, to the right, whatever. Anyway, attentively look throughout the entirety of your smartphone's frame like that until you will stumble upon a SIM card tray that will look like this one. So a rounded frame, or well, the frame that stands out from the rest of the device's frame, once again for the lack of the better word, with a little hole inside of it or right next to it. Now take your injection tool, insert it into this hole, and once it reaches the bottom, push it in. Once you will, the SIM card tray should pop right out. So well, take it all the way out, I mean. Then take your SIM card, align the rounded corner on the rectangle of your SIM card with the rounded corner you have on the tray itself. Position it, align it, and then once it is properly slotted in, return the SIM card tray back inside the device, just like that. And that's how you insert a SIM card in an Android phone. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.